So let's take these reference and conversions one step further. I know a lot of people argue with me about this right away because metric is easy. Metric can be done by anybody in the top of their head, but I'm going to show you a process called dimensional analysis. Ooh, big words. All that means is you just have to cancel out terms. That's all you got to do. And it's really, really easy. How easy? Oh, let me show you. All you need is take whatever you're given, multiply it by the conversion, and watch things cancel. Case in point, this goes all the way back to, yes, I'm going to say it, the F word. Yes, fractions. Oh, teacher, that teacher said a bad word called fractions. Don't worry about it. Here, let me show you how this works. If you got something like 2/9 and you're multiplying it by 3 and a 2, the big thing is you have this wonderful thing that we can cancel. Cancellation law. Yes, exactly. Take a look. For example, you know that 2 here cancels with this 2 to give you 1 and 1. But not only does that cancel, look at this. This 3 cancels to give you 1 with 9 to give you 3. So if you look, you got 1 times 1, which is 1, 3 times 1, which is 3. Sure enough, that works out to be 1/3. Oh, yeah. Do you remember how to do that or no? Oh, watch this one. Maybe this might work out for you really nicely. Now, take a look. For example, always check the guys here and here. All right? So look, 2 goes into itself once, goes into 4 2 times. 3 goes into itself once, into 15 5 times, leaving you 2 times 1, which is 2, over 5 times 1, which is 5. There's your answer, 2/5. It's done. Now, conversions work exactly the same way, but don't forget about those beautiful reference that I gave you. Remember, okay, a centimeter, pinky nail, okay, a meter, door handle, okay? Think about all of these things that I gave you, okay? Dimes, which was the millimeter. Think of all these conversions I give you because they're going to help you out right now. You ready for this? Okay, check this out. Watch what I do with this thing. Okay, you ready? 75 millimeters. Remember, 75 millimeters is like saying 75 dimes. You're going to convert this into pinky nails. Okay, right? That's what you want to do. So think about this. We got 75 millimeters times. Okay, now, how do you get rid of something that's in the numerator here? Well, let's go back. Just look. Bear with me. Okay? How did we get rid of this guy in the numerator? Well, we had its match in the denominator, didn't we? Oh, okay. Watch this. If that's millimeters in the numerator, I'm going to put denominator, I'm going to put millimeters. Why? Because I know they're going to cancel. But wait a second, what am I going to put on top? Well, what I want to convert to, which is centimeters. Now ask yourself the question. Here's where the reference come in. How many dimes make a pinky nail? Right? One pinky nail needs 10 dimes. Check this out. Millimeters cancel with millimeters to give you 75 centimeters over 10, which works out to be 7.5 centimeters. See how it works? Maybe, maybe not. Now, I know some people are going, why don't you just divide by 10? I did. But I wanted to show you this conversion. I wanted to show you that millimeters and millimeters cancel out. The reason why is when we get into some really heavy-duty conversions, this idea of canceling is going to really help you out. So guess what? I got a bunch of questions here. Let's do them. Ready? And I even put out these wonderful little reference to remind you. Remember the pinky nail, the dimes, the door handle, okay? And so on and so on and so on. Ready? So let's convert 15 kilometers into meters. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to go 15 kilometers. Now, you want to get rid of kilometers. Whatever you want to get rid of, put them on the bottom. You want to convert this into meters. Put it on top. Okay, so let's ask ourselves a question. The question I want to ask you is this. How many door handles, height of door handles, make up a kilometer? Well, it's right here. 1,000 door handles make up a kilometer. 1,000 meters make up a kilometer. Now, check this out. This is where the fun starts. kilometers and kilometers cancel, leaving you 15 times 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 15,000 meters. Look at that. That's what you're left with. That's what the answer is. It's easy, isn't it? Yeah, I know. Watch this one. 28,600 centimeters. Woo! Okay, I want to get rid of centimeters. So where would it go? Of course, on the bottom. I want to convert it into meters. Now, remember centimeters? Centimeters are pinkies. Okay, how many pinkies make a door handle? Right? So you're looking at 100 pinkies make the one door handle. So check this out. Centimeters and centimeters cancel. You're going to shift this over. You're going to divide by 100. Okay, this works out to be 286 meters. Look how simple this is. As soon as you see the conversion, and as soon as you accept that conversion, boy, it makes life so much more interesting. Okay, let's go again. Ready? This is 0.35 millimeters. Okay, again, put the millimeters on the bottom. What you want on top, that's the centimeters on top. Now ask yourself a question. How many dimes make up a centimeter? How many dimes make up the pinky? One pinky, 10 dimes. So you're actually dividing by 10. So this is going to be 0.035 centimeters. That's the one I usually catch people on because they tell me it's, 3.5. No, it's not. You're dividing by 10. Why? Because look, millimeters and millimeters cancel. There's 10 dimes in the pinky. Ooh, okay, let's try this one then. Now, 112 centimeters. Put that on the bottom. You want to convert to millimeters. Put that on the top, right? You see how this is working? Okay, so how many dimes make up a pinky? The pinky is 1 centimeter. How many dimes? That's 10. You're actually going to multiply that out. That's going to work out to 1120 millimeters. How do you know it's millimeters? Because guess what? Centimeters and centimeters cancel. Woo! Oh, I think we're getting this. I think we're getting this. Let's keep on going. Here we go. So always use your referent here, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you use your referent to understand your conversion. Okay. 857 meters. I want to convert this. So let's get rid of the meters. Centimeters on top. Okay. So meter is one door handle. Great. How many pinkies make up the door handle? 100. You're going to multiply this by 100. 857, 2 zeros. And that's going to work out. Oh, look. Meters and meters cancel to give you centimeters. Ain't that cool? Oh, I think so. Let's go. Keep going. Here we go. We're on a roll. All right. 0.03 meters. I want to convert it to something. Put the meters on the bottom, put the millimeters on the top. The meters are going to cancel, but think about it. One door handle, how many millimeters? How many dimes? 1,000 dimes make up one door handle. Isn't that cool? So we're going to bounce the decimal 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so multiply by 1,000, 1, 2, 3 times. That's going to work out to be 30 millimeters. You got it. Meters and meters cancel, of course. Let's rock. Oh, check this one out. Here we go. 5,200 meters. We want to convert this into kilometers, so put a meter on the bottom, put a kilometer on top. How many door handles make up 1 kilometer? You got it. 1,000 door handle heights. So you're going to divide out by 3 zeros. You're going to move that three zero places. Okay, works out to be 5.2 kilometers. That's easy. Keep on going. Now check this one out. This one might be a little bit more tricky because look, you're doing 28,600 centimeters. And I don't know how to go directly from centimeters into kilometers. So I'm going to do a 2-step method and see what happens. Okay, here we go. 28,600. Now, that's centimeters. Now, I know how to convert to meters. So guess what? I'm going to convert to meters first. Really? Yep. Think about it. One door handle, that's 100 centimeters. So I can divide it out right now, or I can just keep on going and go, okay, well, centimeters and centimeters cancel. I'm in meters now, but I want kilometers. So guess what? Kilometers on top, meters on the bottom, and I know it's 1,000 door handles to make up 1 kilometer. So check this out. The meters and meters cancel. Check this out. I am moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. This is going to work out to be 0.28 8 kilometers. Is that wild or what? You can actually do a multi-step process if you do it this way. Lots of fun. Stay tuned.